sir. Hey, ma'am. I think you had a greatest startup at morning. So I have seen many stalls over here. So I just wanted to know what exactly this company makes and how long it is involved into the market.
Okay. Hi, I'm Devi. I'm Senior Vice President of Logistics in K&Dev Logistics. That's a company name. In our company, the company has been in the market for the past 42 years. So we've been here since 1984. Our chairman is Dr. Xavier Brito. So under his visionary guidance, the company has expanded across India, and we have 7,000 plus employees, and we have 108 offices as well. So that being said, so we are entering into the aerospace and defense sector, and we feel that this is a great platform for us to really expand, to create more visibility and to be more present, especially where the aerospace and defense is actually budding up. And I think the BCI Aerospace is a great platform for all of us to meet together, because at the end of the day, without supply chain, none of the manufacturing companies can actually move forward. We remain the backbone. So I think we have always excelled in providing very reduced logistic cost and also providing excellence in logistics as well. So that's how we are here.
Oh, great. So this question is for you because you are slightly shaking up. So what are the future plans of this company which can make India proud?
Hey, hi, I'm Hari Prasad. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Southern Region. I mean, as Ms. Devi mentioned, it's a great forum to be here, and this is the second time we are there. 2 years back, we had the similar kind of forum in Chennai, and we were the gold sponsor of the event, and for even Aeromart, we are the gold sponsor. So, coming to our future plans, as such, we are an asset-heavy company. We are a strong infrastructure-based company. We run our own container freight stations, ICDs, and then FTWZ, 3PL warehouses, own transportation. So in that way, now additionally we are coming with a new ICD at Hosur, and we are coming with an FTWZ in Bombay. We keep expanding ourselves as the market size is growing, because in India, where we are basically a South Indian company, Chennai is basically a Detroit of India, known for automotive. So aerospace is something which is new. Last 2.5 years started catching like forest fire. So we wanted to be a part of it, because we feel we are the apt company. With our infrastructure, we can support end-to-end logistic solutions. Because end of the day, any manufacturing company, the biggest challenge what they face is when they are doing the budget, the logistics cost. So we as a company get in there, and we one company handling their complete solutions will also give them the logistics cost reduction. That is where we focus, and we focus on long-term relationship. And as a motto, we work with all the top corporate accounts, and agenda of being here also to meet all these customers again and drive our expertise into them and make them believe that we are the right company, where they can collaborate with us and where we can give them lot of solutions globally as well as and within India.
సో సార్ ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్ చూసుకుంటే చాలా కాంపిటీషన్స్ వచ్చేసినాయి ఏఐ గురించి కనుక ఏఐని తీసుకొని సపోర్టివ్గా చాలా డెవలప్మెంట్స్ అనేవి అవుతున్నాయి. సో మీ కంపెనీలో ఏఐని డెవలప్ చేస్తూ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్లాన్స్ అనేవి టార్గెటెడ్ ఎంతవరకు అవుతుంది, అండ్ ఈ రోజు ఫుడ్ కౌంట్ మీరు ఎంత ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
మా కంపెనీ మేము చెప్పినట్టు ముందు 42 ఏళ్ళుగా ఉన్నాం ఇక్కడ. సో మేము ముందు మాన్యువల్గా స్టార్ట్ చేసి కస్టమ్స్లో టుడే అన్నీ చూసారంటే కంప్యూటరైజ్ చేసాం. సో ఏఐ గురించి అనుకుంటా అంటే దట్స్ ద లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీ వేర్ వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు అడాప్ట్. దానికి మా చైర్మన్ గారు అబ్బాయి ఉన్నారు, మిస్టర్ మిషెల్ బ్రిటో అని చెప్పి. హీఈస్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ డెవలపింగ్ ఏఐ. బట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50% ఆన్ ఇట్. అనదర్ 50% ఉంది ఇంకా కొంచెం చాలా పని చేసుకుంటానికి. బికాస్ మాది ఇంపోర్ట్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ కాబట్టి బయట నుంచి డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ రావటం చేయటం ఇట్లాంటివి చాలా ఉంటాయి అనమాట. అవి వస్తేనే కస్టమ్స్లో వచ్చి క్లియర్ చేసి రావటం. ఇవన్నీ మేము వచ్చి వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఇంటిగ్రేట్ ఆన్ ఏఐ సొల్యూషన్స్. కరెంట్లీ వీ వర్క్ ఆన్ సిఆర్ఎం, లాట్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఆల్సో. బట్ ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఆటోమేషన్ విల్ టేక్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ మంత్స్ టైం. దీంట్లో ఇంకా ఏమంటే స్పీడ్ పెరుగుతుంది బాగా. Then instead of waiting for the documents to come on email, we just say it comes in seconds, and we can immediately on a customs process చేయటం, లేకపోతే మిగతా డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయటం అనేది చేయొచ్చు అనమాట.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. I think you had a greatest blast morning over within this expo. So how many long years you have been into an India market, Indian air market, and what is your company, what you are representing here today?
Thank you for having us. Azad Engineering Limited is a listed company, started 15 years before. We are into aerospace, energy, and oil and gas.
Okay.
So we are the number one suppliers to Airbus, Boeing when it comes to the high precision components in India. So our components are highly precise. We supply to Airbus, Boeing. There are two critical companies in aerospace division. Both of them we supply components. So if you take Azad is actually a blade manufacturer started by Mr. Rakesh Shubdar, who is our chairman founder. He's a school dropout. Then the eager to the engineering and precision made him to build such a wonderful company. And we are proud to say that we have all the OEMs across, from Boeing to Airbus to Safran to Eaton. We have it in our portfolio. So the product lines is anything on high precision, blades, airfoils, which nobody does in India. We are proud to say that Azad is one of the company in the world to produce such high precision components.
And what is your future agenda? What are your future plans so that we can see in Indian airline market?
Our chairman is a very visionary person. With his guidance, we are moving forward, and we are indigenously making an engine to support Make in India. And our chairman's vision is to not only to work for the foreign companies, but also to build India an indigenous hub for the aerospace and defense.
And what was your experience over here in Expo?
It's a wonderful event, I would say. We connect with a lot of people across the globe, and I'm really thankful for the Aeromart and government of Telangana organizing such a wonderful event. And we wish such events continues in future.
And this is your first time?
Yeah, this is the first time in Hyderabad, but I've been in this about 15 years. I had multiple expos, but this is something very interesting.
I hope you get a great foot count on this stall.
Absolutely. We are thrilled. We are thrilled.
And I wish you have a great future ahead. And thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, first of all. And you had a greatest start of this expo.
Solutions for the defense forces and security forces all over the world, and we are a major suppliers to the Indian Armed Forces. And what you see out here is a firing simulator, and specifically you have a sniper simulator and a rocket launcher simulator. And under this same product portfolio, we provide a number of simulators for training of the infantry soldiers of the Indian Army. Okay, so it has been so far so good in this Aeromart, and we hope to make some good contacts and good leads out here.
And how long it would be like? How long this simulator is using in Indian Army?
See, we are a 33-year-old company, and our main product line has been simulators. So, in that way, to answer your question, these are in use for the last at least 3 decades.
Wow. And what is the future agenda, sir?
Future agenda is as long as the armed forces and the security forces remain, then you will always have a need for training simulators. We intend to upgrade our simulators and evolve as the weapons used by the armed forces also evolve.
And using this weapon, how long this target can be covered?
See, this sniper rifle simulator which we out here is a range of about 1.5 kilometers, and it is provided with a simulated sight. So exactly you use this the way you would actually use a sniper rifle.
Okay. And this rocket launcher, sir?
Rocket launcher is also a replica of the actual rocket launcher, and it actually weighs exactly like a rocket launcher, which is about 6 kgs. And the entire form, fit, functionality, everything is like a real rocket launcher.
Range?
Range, I'm not very sure, but I think it's about a kilometer.
Wow, that's a great thing. And I wish you have a great day ahead. And thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you very much.
We are here at the Aeromart 2026. We are here to meet our existing customers, meet some new customers. We have seen some good panel discussions, and it was a good day of inauguration and a good start, I must say. We Raghuvamshi Aerospace, our journey for the past 20-25 years has been great. We serve the best companies across the globe, a homegrown company into the precision manufacturing industry. We are supplying to almost every top global OEMs in the aerospace industry. We have also ventured into oil and gas, power sectors. We have 3 plants in UK and 2 in US. We have around 6 plants here, all homegrown here. We employ around 1,500 employees. We have the best technology and we have wonderful people in the organization. We not only take care of our customers, we are also taking care of the development of people, upbringing their skills, so that every employee of our Raghuvamshi family is able to contribute uh, our high precision parts for the OEMs who has a great expectations on us, and also to the people and to the society.
And what is the one biggest change your company gonna bring in aerospace market?
Very soon we are going to come up with a 340,000 square feet larger plant within a very short distance of our existing plant, where we will bring in the best processes, special processes, technology, and also we are going to employ a lot of people. And we want to also bring in new technologies so that our teams can learn what we have in our Europe, what we want to bring in, and also there will be a cross learning. We want to put a great supply chain in place, and we have started 1 or 2 projects which is going to benefit the organization, to the customers, and also to the people. We are going to have a paperless organization. We are going to have a plant, autonomous automation, fully integrated in the plant. So these are all certain new things which we are planning in the next 15 to 18 months in the journey of Raghuvamshi.
And what are you expecting from this expo, sir? And what are your future agendas?
What we expect is we are here to meet our customers. Most importantly, there are many companies who are already our suppliers, and we would be willing to have more supplier partners. We want to engage with them. We are here to learn some new technology from other companies. We want to learn some new expectations of our existing OEMs. So this is a good platform for meeting the people, talking, understanding, going for the panel discussions. Overall, a nice place to connect and communicate and understand our people around.
And one special thing that makes your company very special and topmost level?
If you ask, one very special thing is if you see my managing director Vamsi Vikas, he has grown from very scratch, I must say, and Preeti Vikas, who is our executive director and group CEO. As a company, we remained very humble. We have helped people, grown for the people. In organization, what special we have is we have uplifted many of the employees and their families who come from across the country and also from many rural areas. We employ people not only like an employee but like a family, which makes us unique. Second is their skills, advancements of their skills in every new technology, which we really engage and we make them to learn. That is the second thing. Third, the customers, if you see all the customers who are on the board, we are one of the most trusted partners for them, not today, but for the past 20 years of consistent supply on time, and we are having the best supplier awards from all the leading global companies. So I think this is the unique thing what we have, and we want to learn more and we want to contribute more and develop and
That's
grow.
a great thing hearing.
Thank
from
you so
sir.
much.
Sir.
Thank you.
India is most forward.
Your good name,
This is Sai Kumar, sir.
sir, and just let us know what is your company and what you present here today.
See, this is Apollo Microsystems Limited. So we are Hyderabad-based company. So today we bought our subsystems which we contribute towards the nation. So these subsystems are integrated into missile systems.
Okay.
So where you can see our equipment of Marich, aerial bomb, and this GNC kit are the unique items which Apollo Microsystems do. And we does also have the torpedo and signal processing unit. So seeker section. So this is.
And what one thing which makes a special to your company in the present market?
So see, now you if you ask Apollo Microsystems, we are always unique. Okay, the first thing. The second one is this is a GNC kit. This is a purely indigenous and it has done by Apollo Microsystems in India. Okay, this is a unique item. So this we bought.
And what is your future agenda? What is your plan for upcoming 5 years?
See, next 5 years we will be like around in a turnover will be in a crores of rupees, and we do have a more than 250 orders in our bag, more than 250 plus orders in our bag.
Okay.
In next 5 years we will be everywhere. Already we are a 4 decades old company, so where we don't require any kind of introduction to the defense market
Great.
now. So we are also into explosives in next future, drones, anti drones, and we do also do the surveillance systems. So always we are in subsystems for the missiles.
So you are into a completely industry, I mean Indian defense system.
Yes.
So how come this throughout, even you can see AI is coming over to every industry. How come this AI is used in your industry?
See, AI, to be precise, we use this for drones.
Okay.
Okay, so obviously we are into drones also, so we will integrate that into AI, and as well as for the subsystems also it will be integrated. So moreover in the PCB designs and board level designs, we can use that AI in our office.
And like how was your experience here in today in Expo?
See, this is a beautiful expo actually, to be honest. This is the for the second time we are participating, so we are a golden sponsors here. So today when morning I went for the inaugurations and other activities also. So moreover, more than 30 companies are here, so that is a very beautiful experience. Everyone has to visit from the government organizations to know the market and technology nowadays, how technology is improved compared to the future and past also. So past where we were and today where we are standing in India. So compared to other countries, so India is most forward now.
Sai Kumar sir, have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Great day.
Hey sir, good afternoon. I think you had a great start today. So what is your company and what it represents?
Yeah, our company is in the trading business from last 98 years. We are selling world-class machines and metallurgy equipments from the globe to Indian companies in aerospace, defense, educational, medical. So we cater to all market to supply world-class machine to Indian customers in various fields.
And what makes your company one thing special?
We are a trusted partner for these global companies, and our strength is that we do not only sell the machines, we provide the service support also to our customers. So we have factory trained engineers available in each on every machine to support the customer after they buy and use the machine.
Oh, that's a really great, sir. And sir, what is your future agenda for upcoming 5 years?
For upcoming 5 years, the LK machine, so we are going to set up a manufacturing facility, hopefully in the southern India, maybe in Bangalore or maybe in Hyderabad, and let's see how it will go with the Make in India machine.
And what are you expecting from today Expo, and how was your experience, sir?
We are participating this exhibition second time in row, and we hope we will have good discussion with the other participant because it is a B2B platform. So we hope we will have some successful discussions and we can jointly collaborate with them and supply them machines and support them for the solutions they need for their parts inspection.
And one challenging thing that you are facing in today's market?
The market is not the challenging as of now. If you look into the India is the growing market, and the business is good because the all the company like Safran, Airbus, and different aerospace companies are coming in Hyderabad as well as then the all India. So it's not a challenge; it's a good market, and we are looking ahead and looking forward to that.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Welcome.
Hey, sir. Hope you had a great start here today. And what is your company? What it does?
Good afternoon. So I'm representing Axon. Axon is a French family company with 2,500 people in the world, 200 people in Bangalore, located in Bangalore, and doing cable, connector, and interconnect for very severe environment. So like defense, like aeronautics and space.
And one thing which makes your company special?
Axon is special in the sense that we are very much vertically integrated.
Okay.
That means most of our components are done by ourselves, and which match very much the philosophy not only of the Make in India, but what you call Atmanirbhar Bharat, so autosufficiency, because we developed also components, we assemble them and deliver to different defense industry.
And see, there are many companies which are manufacturing the same things. What is the one biggest challenge you are facing today?
In final, is not so many doing the same things, because many people they do assembly, but like we are doing vertical integration,
Okay.
we do also co-design.
Okay.
So we're coming at the early stage at customer, like defense customer, HAL, BL, DRDO, and other, and we co-design with them our interconnect solution directly inside their system.
Okay. And how this expo is happening?
This is very interesting Expo. Not only Expo, is a B2B event, and compared to traditional exhibition, this exposition here is very much for meeting buyer and seller. So this is quite unique and is kind of business affair forum, and we like it very much because all the key partners in this industry are directly accessible, and this is what we are looking for in this kind of event.
And what are your future plans for upcoming 5 years?
We want to bring even more technology in France. We want to do even more components in India, technology from France to India, and more components to India. So we see very nice opportunities, not only in defense, but as well in space and aeronautics. And like you know, India is very much growing with a lot of requirement for defense equipment. There is a big growth in aeronautics, and space is a key sector for many years. So this is quite nice market, nice ambition for us, and we want to address it as very much on technology driven and innovation driven.
And your good name, sir?
I'm Stefan from Axon.
Glad you're in Hyderabad, and I think you had a Hyderabad biryani too.
Yes, of course. Indian food is the best.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hey, ma'am, your good name?
Hi, I'm Aparna from representing Government of Tamil Nadu. We are from Tamil Nadu Industry Development Corporation, TIDCO. So, to be honest, so we have Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor. India has two industry corridors, and one is Tamil Nadu, another is UP. So we have multiple projects that we have set up inside the Tamil Nadu Defense Industry Corridors. So there are like multiple aerospace parks starting from Sulu, and there is one Varapati Defense Industry Parks. So this is like the first in India aerospace park that has a runway with it. I have Madhusudanan, our wing commander here. He will explain you more on the part of the aerospace.
So you're just pulling him in between.
Yeah, see how. No, they want to know more about the Sulur part.
Okay.
So we'll-
Sulur is a place near Coimbatore, and it's hosting the Air Force Station Sulur. That is a very important station for the Indian government, Air Force Station. That's one of the main places in South India for that. And alongside that, we are planning an industrial park. This is going to be the first industrial park in the whole country outside HAL and DRDO, which would have a runway access.
Oh.
That means any airplane which is made or any airplane which is repaired could use a runway. For example, no other place has that. So that is a unique feature which is normally, I mean, you could see that in Europe and USA. So we are doing that for the first time in India. So this could be the real seed from where aircraft manufacturing, aircraft repair, aircraft assembly could really take off in India. So this would be supporting engine repair, engine manufacturing, aircraft structure repair, aircraft assembly, maintenance, repair and overall of commercial airplanes. This would be a very, very unique feature in the national aerospace map.
And what is that? What is your agenda, and what are your plannings for upcoming 5 years?
So the purpose we will say that to this event is to meet up with all the companies here to actually collaborate to just showcase what we are doing in Tamil Nadu, and we can just collaborate with them, network with them, and know what they need, what we have to match it up, or what we don't have. That also we can do. What they are searching for and we still already have and they are not aware of it, all of that is already here. So I think this is a perfect place where we do the networking, and this sets up for at least next 2 years of what we are going to do.
And one biggest challenge you are facing in aero market?
The biggest in the aero market or Aeromart?
Aero market. It's okay, aero market or both.
Okay, the biggest challenge is not for a state, it's for the country. In the sense that most of it is imported, most of it comes from abroad. Not many OEMs are willing to come here in full scale. Yes, a lot of large foreign companies are coming up here, but they have not come full scale. So that is getting opened up because of geopolitical relationship by Government of India.
Okay.
It's changing. 5 years ago, 10 years ago, we did not have Boeing or Airbus here. Now it's happening. So the challenges are plenty, but the challenges are being overcome gradually, and we play a role. It's not only just to be done from Delhi, it's to be done at multiple places like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, multiple places. So we contribute to that so that the challenges are overcome.
And what is your experience today in Expo?
Today the expo is simply we walk through around. I think the tomorrow actual B2B starts tomorrow. So we got to know who are here and what are the meetings that is already scheduled and what's going to be efficient for us. So I think this is a good face-to-face meeting we had just scrolling around, which is good. So far, we are waiting for tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you. Both of you have a nice day.
Yeah, I can have.
Yeah.
So, besides this, what we have displayed on aerospace and defense, TIDCO is also now concentrating, or Tamil Nadu is also now concentrating to have a space park. So, next 5 years that you asked, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi is going to be the first space park to be set up in India. And we are also signed up with InSpace to have a common technical facilities in a spaceport in Allikulam. So these are all coming up, and I think in next 5 years, Tamil Nadu will have a huge market or ecosystem for the space industry. So that's what we are looking into for the next 5.
Are you guys are planning any another place to place the same park?
So as of now, we are looking into having a huge 2,000 acres park just for the space manufacturing hub, you can say, or a space port, you can say. It is Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi districts, and I think 2,000 acres for now, it's a huge leap for Tamil Nadu, and no one in India has it having a proposal like that. So I think that is what we are looking into in the next 5 years, more than in aerospace and defense. I think we are already establishing, and space is what we are looking into. Yeah, thank you.
So hi guys, we do have a Pranav sir here who will look at after this entire expo. I think we'll have his time today. I'm not troubling him, I wish. So Pranav sir, how is your day? How is it going?
So to give you a quick introduction, we are the organizers of Aeromart India. This is our second edition. We work with the government of Telangana, who are our partners for the event. And the idea of organizing this event is to promote Telangana as a manufacturing destination for the aerospace, defense sectors. And India is now a very rising actor on the global stage. and Indian companies are now ready to reach out to bigger component manufacturers, buyers, and supply to the entire ecosystem, and reach that level where we also able to produce international standard quality components to companies. Hyderabad, of course, is the leading region. The government of Telangana is making a lot of effort to promote the industry, and yeah, we're. This is our second edition. We have a very good response from companies. They want to. Our format is slightly different. We're not the conventional trade fair where you get a lot of people. This is more of a B2B supply chain event, and more of a business convention, where we restrict entry to business visitors as such. So businesses appreciate that, because that saves them time, that gives them face time directly with business owners and directly with the companies that they would like to partner with. So I think it's a win-win situation for all companies in Telangana who get to meet international companies, and I think international companies who get to meet the very valuable manufacturers, and benefit from the expertise that Hyderabad and Telangana has to offer them.
Right. So, Pranav, I do have 4 quick questions for you. And what is the main goal for this expo?
See, the main goal of this expo is to meet. It's kind of a marriage. We're a matchmaker. There are a lot of component manufacturers, companies that make very specific components, technology, who are looking for partnerships, who are looking to sell to bigger buyers, in fact, from Europe or America. The purpose of this event is to get them together, get them to discuss face to face what could have taken them a lot of time to get to meet each other. We are facilitating that in just one banquet room hall.
That's a great thing. And how will this expo have aerospace industry in India?
So see, this is one of the events that supports the industry. Again, the industry needs exposure, and this is what we are giving them. A lot of foreign companies recognize that Hyderabad has a very strong aerospace manufacturing base, and I think with the exposure that the region gets, the city gets, and the ecosystem gets, I think everybody is stand to benefit, and especially the state and the local economy.
And what is the one big change you want from this expo to be created?
See, the one big change we want to see, the change that we would like to see, and I would like to see, is get Indian companies to grow, to get them to go on an international level, and apart from just selling to larger buyers, also start looking at technology which we could also in the future make these components for ourselves, make these aircrafts ourselves. India needs to also make its own, or start making its own aircrafts. In fact, I mean, Airbus, Boeing, Embraer, Bombardier are there, but India still does not have its own indigenous aircraft manufacturer. And I think that's where I would like to see one day where Indian companies are able to do that too.
That's a good goal, I have to say that. And so the last question is, what is your vision for Aeromart in the next 5 years?
See, Aeromart Hyderabad, Aeromart India Hyderabad is a biannual event. So if we first started with 2024, now 2026, it'll be then in 2028 and 2030. What we're looking at is, of course, repeating this event on a much larger scale, getting more companies, giving them the exposure, and maybe convince these companies to come on more of our international events. We do 30 events in 20 countries. So we'd like to see, at least on the aerospace and defense events, we'd like to see more Indian companies participate and be part of the global ecosystem. I think Indian companies should now get out of that mold of, of just being in India and supplying to the world and getting out to the world, in fact.
That's a great talk with you, Pranav Sahab. Thank you.
So
Thank you
much.
for time.
Thank you.